To perform the raindrops tapping stroke, one finger after another gently makes contact with the area to be massaged. The calming rhythm of raindrops relaxes and tingles as it touches the dog. This very gentle tapping technique can be used almost anywhere on the body to relax and relieve tension in the dog. I think it will relieve your tension too. Hi, I'm Dr. Sue. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. If you would like to learn more about animal massage, please visit my website for my complete class schedule, books, and DVDs. And don't forget to sign up for my free e-newsletter for monthly specials and product news. Thanks again for watching my video.